which means your body can actually absorb it instead of letting it sit in the cabinet pretending to change your life. It is one of the most nutrient-dense whole plant options out there, and it is easy to work into the kind of real routine people can keep. If you want to try it, go to zivo.life and use promo code SOUND at checkout for 30% off any product. That is the highest discount available, and if you use the code, I earn a commission while you support your health and support the show. 1 teaspoon, one better choice, and a cleaner daily rhythm that is actually realistic to keep going.